Hello, my name is Kay. Welcome to my channel. I review art and craft books, and today I'll be reviewing Colour Harmony for Artists by Ana Victoria Calderon. Ana invites you to explore and create expressive palettes and paintings. And I'm really excited to share this book with you because I absolutely love colour, and I personally found this book really inspiring. This is a large A4 size book, softback, 144 pages, published by Quarry and printed on quality paper. The book also opens reasonably flat, which regulars to my channel will know is one of my personal bugbears. This brings us to the contents page. The book is divided into two main sections. The first is hands-on colour theory, and the second is inspired palettes, helping you to capture moods and play with beautiful swatches of watercolour mixes, reflecting a variety of visual inspiration. In the preface, Ana tells us how she was initially inspired to create this book, which brings us to the hands-on colour theory section. Ana suggests that you need to familiarise yourself with the colour wheel in order to understand how to mix colour. I love the illustrations in Ana's book. They're absolutely beautiful. Ana tells us there are many harmony schemes around the colour wheel that may vary depending on the medium and application, and now explains a selection of the standard harmony schemes, the first being monochromatic, which usually refers to the same hue with a variation in tints, tones and shades. Analogous colours are very pleasing to the eye because they sit next to each other on the colour wheel. Complementary colours are found on the opposite sides of the colour wheel. You can desaturate a colour by adding a little bit of its opposite on the colour wheel. And here are three more examples of pleasing colour schemes: a split complementary, a triadic colour scheme and a tetradic colour scheme. On this page, Ana explains colour and temperature and provides three examples, one of a warm colour palette, cool colour palette and a neutral palette, and states that even neutrals are either warm or cool. Here we have a really exciting project for you to try. Ana has included at the back of the book a template for you to use. You can create different paintings using different colour temperature palettes. There are two examples here, warm and cool. I think even the colour swatches look pretty. It's obvious really, but nonetheless it still amazes me how different the two paintings look. I'm really looking forward to trying this myself. Ana makes the point that a big part of colour mixing is experimenting with the paints you actually own yourself and taking the opportunity to try them so you can discover your own personal favourites. Ana has listed the paint colours that she likes to use, but she uses a number of brands and says each brand has certain pigments that she prefers. As amateur artists, I think we're all guilty of falling into the trap of believing if only we had the same brand and colour of paint or the same size and brand of brush that we will be able to paint like our artistic heroes. We also need to be mindful that the colours we see printed in the book will not be the same as the colours you see on the screen and will not be the same as the colours we see in real life. And that's before we've even thought about the different light conditions such as bright sunlight or a dull day. So that concludes the colour theory section of the book, and now brings us to the bulk of the book, which is 111 pages of inspired palettes, and there are examples on every page how Ana has created a palette from various images and photographs. I will only be repeating myself over and over again if I continue to narrate, so I'm going to set this section to some nice music for you, and I'll join you again at the end and conclude with a summary. This brings us to the end of the book, and here's the template that Anna used on page 21 when she created warm and cool variations. Do you remember those beautiful images of flowers? And she created a warm and a cool version. Well, the template's here for you to trace and have a go at this yourself. Anna has listed some further resources for you, expressed her acknowledgements, and there's a bit about Ana Victoria Calderon herself. She's a Mexican-American watercolour artist and teacher with a bachelor's degree in information design and continued studies in fine arts. Anna teaches in-person workshops, and she also has had over 60,000 students on Skillshare, where she's a top teacher. You will also find several workshops over on Domestika, but a note of caution, please make sure you pay the full price. Otherwise, if you pay the discounted price, you'll be automatically enrolled into their annual subscription program, and unless you cancel within 30 days, you will be charged the full annual subscription. I've put links below to Anna's website, to her Skillshare and Domestika pages, her Instagram account and her YouTube channel. I've personally found this book really inspiring. It's a beautiful book, large format, lovely pages that open flat. All the wonderful colour palettes that Anna has created. I just can't wait to get started. And it's the sort of thing you can do when you've got a few moments of time without putting yourself under any pressure to create a masterpiece. I highly recommend Anna's book as a fun way to getting used to colour mixing and creating some really inspiring colour palettes. In fact, I've enjoyed her book so much that I've actually ordered another book of hers, which should arrive today, and I'm really excited to see it and review it for you. And I've added a link below to where you can buy your own personal copy of this wonderful book that Anna has written. Do treat yourself. I guarantee you won't be disappointed. I hope you found my review helpful. If you did, please give this video a like. It helps YouTube promote my channel to other people who are interested in art books. I try and post a new art book review every single week, so if you'd like to see more reviews from me, please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And if you found this review helpful, please leave me a comment below. I do reply to all comments. And if there's an art book that you'd like to see, let me know and I will do my best to review it for you. So thank you for watching, and until next time, happy painting.